Alright guys, so here's how to email a folder of PDF files. So if you go with this folder, as you can see, there are a bunch of PDF files. So I need to send these PDF files in a folder to a mail. So how you can do that is quite simple guys. You need to select this folder, right click on it, and then feel free to go with the compress to and simply go with the zip file. Alright, if you're not getting these options, you might be in like Windows 10. So for Windows 10 you need to go with 7ZIP. As always, if you don't have the 7ZIP, you must have the WinRAR. But if you don't have any of these, then you need to go with the send to option and then simply go with the compressed zip folder. All right, just simply go with that one. It will take some time to compress the files, and then we got this. All right, now simply go with the browser and open up any of the Gmail that you want, or you can go with the Outlook, you can go with the Yahoo, you can go with any kind of mailing service. Then simply go with the compose and then simply tap on the attach file. So I have saved my file in the desktop, so I will go with the desktop, and then as you can see we got data communication compressed zip file. So we got this, so we simply go and select it and open the file. Now it will take some time to load, and we got this. Now simply select a user to send this email and simply tap on the send, and we are good to go. So that's how you can email a folder full of PDFs. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.